In this video, we'll show you how to track candidate status on Top Echelon, one of the leading recruiting software platforms. Whether you're a recruiter trying to stay on top of your candidate pipeline or a team leader looking to streamline your hiring process, this guide will help you understand how to make the most out of Top Echelon's candidate tracking features. Stick around till the end because we'll also share how you can try the software for free with some exclusive bonuses. Now let's dive in. Tracking candidate status on Top Echelon is simple but effective, and it all starts by using the candidate section of the software. First, when you log into Top Echelon, you'll want to go to your Candidates tab. From here, you'll see a full list of all the candidates you've entered into the system. Each candidate will have a current status shown directly in their profile, and that's where the magic happens. The statuses range from things like new lead to interview scheduled and even hired or placed. What's great is that you can customize these statuses to fit your specific workflow, making it easier to track where each candidate is in your process. You can set up your stages from screening to interviews to placements, so you always know exactly where to focus your attention. Next, you'll want to use the Notes section for each candidate. This is where you can keep track of any updates, like feedback from interviews or important follow-ups. Think of it as your digital notepad. If you're working with a team, anyone who has access to the system can add their notes too, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Another useful feature is the activity timeline. This gives you a chronological view of every action that's been taken on a candidate's profile. From the initial contact to interview notes to the final placement, everything is documented and easy to reference. This feature is incredibly helpful for staying organized and ensuring no important details are missed. To really get a clear picture of your candidate status, use the built-in filtering options. You can filter your candidates based on their status, location, or job title. This allows you to quickly find candidates that are in specific stages of your hiring process, making it much easier to focus on your next steps. Additionally, if you've got multiple users in your team, Top Echelon allows you to assign candidates to specific team members. This helps distribute work evenly and allows everyone to have a clear understanding of who's responsible for what, without the need for constant check-ins. For those who need a little extra help, Top Echelon also offers automated email reminders. These reminders can be set up to notify you when a candidate's status needs to be updated or when a follow-up action is due. This reduces the chances of missing crucial steps in the process. Finally, if you want to keep track of all candidates for a particular job opening, you can easily create a job order within the software. This allows you to link multiple candidates to a specific job and track their progress throughout the entire hiring cycle. It's a fantastic way to keep everything centralized and organized. So, how do you get started with Top Echelon? It's easy. The first link below gives you access to a completely free trial of the software, along with some exclusive bonuses that can help you get set up faster. This is the perfect way to try Top Echelon and start tracking your candidate status without any financial commitment. In conclusion, Top Echelon makes candidate tracking straightforward and efficient, whether you're managing one candidate or hundreds. The customizable statuses, detailed notes, activity timelines, and filtering options give you all the tools you need to stay organized and ahead of the competition. And don't forget, if you sign up using the link below, you'll get an extended free trial to help you explore everything this platform has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy recruiting.